Most Americans underestimate the power and impact of their credit score on almost every aspect of their financial lives, from loan approvals, interest rates, and credit card limits to insurance premiums, rental applications, and even employment opportunities, making it essential for every individual to understand, monitor, and strategically improve their credit profile in the USA in 2026. Starting with the basics, a credit score is a three-digit number, ranging from 300 to 850 that reflects your credit worthiness, evaluated by banks, lenders, credit card companies, and even landlords, with higher scores unlocking lower interest rates, higher approval chances, access to premium financial products, and better overall financial freedom, whereas lower scores can cost thousands of dollars over a lifetime in additional interest payments and missed opportunities, making it critical to build a strong score. The first step is obtaining your credit reports from all three major bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, using free services such as annualcreditreport.com, Credit Karma, or Credit Sesame, reviewing them carefully for errors, outdated information, or fraudulent activity, because even small discrepancies can negatively impact your score, and timely disputes ensure accuracy, reliability, and faster improvement. Payment history, which accounts for 35% of your score, is the most important factor, so every bill, loan, and credit card payment must be made on time consistently, with automation through auto-pay, reminders, and calendar alerts helping to prevent missed payments, while establishing a habit of paying on time builds trust with lenders and steadily improves your score. The second major factor, credit utilization, makes up 30% of the score and measures how much of your available revolving credit you are using, with the goal being to keep balances below 30% per card, ideally between 10 to 25%, spreading usage across multiple cards when possible, and keeping older accounts open to preserve account age. The length of credit history contributes 15%, making it essential to maintain older accounts and avoid closing them unnecessarily, while types of credit, contributing 10%, encourage a healthy mix of revolving credit, installment loans, mortgages, and retail accounts to show financial maturity. New credit inquiries, also 10%, should be minimized by avoiding multiple applications in a short period. Strategically selecting the right credit cards can accelerate credit growth. Beginners may start with secured cards such as Discover It Secured or Capital One Secured, while cashback cards such as Chase Freedom, Unlimited or Discover It reward everyday spending, and travel-focused cards such as Capital One VentureCity Double, Cash or American Express Gold provide premium benefits, and applying for multiple new cards simultaneously should be avoided to prevent hard inquiries that could lower your score temporarily.
Financial responsibility across different types of borrowing. For credit card selection, consider reward structures, annual fees, interest rates, and credit limits carefully, balancing benefits with cost, and always read the fine print regarding foreign transaction fees, grace periods, and late payment penalties, as understanding terms thoroughly can prevent unnecessary charges and protect your score. In addition, utilizing balance transfer cards effectively can consolidate high-interest credit card debt, reduce interest payments, and help you pay down principal faster. But be cautious about fees, promotional APR expirations, and the impact of new hard inquiries on your score. Timely payment of installment loans, such as auto loans, personal loans, or student loans, not only builds a positive history, but also diversifies your credit profile, with a mix of revolving and installment accounts signaling maturity to lenders. Real-world scenarios include paying off a $1,500 credit card balance fully and consistently making on-time loan payments can raise a mid-range score by 70 to 100 points within a few months. Leveraging high-yield savings accounts ensures your emergency fund grows, providing a buffer against unexpected expenses, which reduces reliance on credit, while investing in ETFs, Roth IRAs, and 401k plans builds long-term wealth and financial stability, further enhancing your credibility with lenders. Understanding billing cycles, statement balances, and due dates allows for strategic payments to reduce utilization before reporting, while diversifying credit types demonstrates maturity and reliability. Pro strategies include setting achievable milestones for score increases, automating all possible payments, maintaining a running ledger of expenses, setting alerts for upcoming bills, and maintaining a credit utilization target of 10 to 25%, while avoiding unnecessary hard inquiries. Monitoring credit monthly allows early detection of errors, identity theft, or unusual activity, which can be disputed immediately to prevent negative impact. Advanced tips include negotiating credit limits with issuers, combining multiple small payments to reduce overall balances, utilizing rewards and cashback for everyday spending, and reviewing credit terms regularly to ensure you're getting maximum benefits. Additionally, diversifying financial knowledge by learning about credit products, banking tools, interest calculations, and investing strategies in the USA provides an edge, enabling informed decisions and careful planning ensures that every financial move positively affects your credit profile. Celebrating progress at key milestones such as 650, 700, and 750 points reinforces positive behavior, while continuous education about evolving credit regulations and financial products ensures long-term success. Combining responsible use, strategic payments, proactive monitoring, investing, and budgeting results in a strong credit score that unlocks premium credit cards, better loans, lower interest rates, and overall financial freedom. Taking control of your financial habits now ensures stability, growth, and maximum utilization of available financial tools. Finally, integrating all these strategies creates a holistic financial plan that not only improves credit score rapidly, but also strengthens overall wealth management, allowing access to the most beneficial credit products, higher rewards, and long-term financial security, while minimizing risks from late payments, debt accumulation, or unplanned expenses, creating a sustainable and resilient financial profile. The final phase of building an exceptional credit score involves fine-tuning every aspect of your financial life, starting with comprehensive monitoring of all accounts, including credit cards, installment loans, mortgages, and retail accounts, ensuring that all payments are timely, balances are low, and accounts are diversified. It also involves analyzing past mistakes and creating a strategic action plan, which includes automated reminders, scheduled payments,